Hello traders, today 29th of Jan, Wednesday 2025. Let me share with you how we analyze the market today and help our traders to squeeze amazing pips. As always, let's look at the pound dollar and the pound yen. That's my favorite one. And if you have seen my yesterday analysis, if you are following my analysis on daily basis, so you have seen yesterday we had this counter long trade based on the 4 hour. This morning we were expecting, let's see here if the price break and give us a confirmation, then possibility of continuation. But I've already mentioned to my trader that we have this impulsive reaction. After impulsive, price develop a correction. So more likely I'm expecting one more push to the downside. So which we did analysis in intraday. And after once the candle is finished, we can see a bearish engulfing candle. So price nicely continue as a nicely pricely hit to the this support level, and that's explain my traders time to consider banking some pips. We are closing most of our position before the FOMC, so you can see the all these trades are before the FOMC. So let me share with you guys this analysis, and just to follow up, this is the yesterday as mentioned we had a counter trade, and this morning we had it beautiful. We were expecting a pullback around this level, and if not, let the price break and give us the confirmation. But if you look at here in um, just a minute, if you look at here, this is what explained to our trader. Look for pullback, but if not, if you look at here, the price came back here and come back and retest, give us the confirmation. That's what explained my trader. I think it's going to be a short trade here based on the 4 hour we were looking here, and sort of like price already developed double top here. Price refused to stay above this level, so more likely we had this beautiful breakout short trade here this morning. And after this breakout, as pretty standard and straightforward, we explain our trader look for another pullback. So we have another beautiful pullback, as you can see here. We had this beautiful short trade previously, so we were expecting another pullback around this level. So you can see a price nicely develop another pullback as soon as the price hit to the major support level in 4 hour. That's what we suggest our traders time to consider banking few pips or move your stop loss at the break even. So we had a nice, beautiful short trade here. So what we expecting here now, as you have seen the price nicely respecting in this structure. So before the FOMC, what we're expecting here, let's say if the price develop false breaker, give us the confirmation, then long here. If the dollar is getting stronger, then I'm expecting a downside. We'll see at the FOMC meet, the news. All right, let's look at the pound yen. Pound yen, we had another beautiful short trade here. Yesterday we had this counter long trade here this morning. As explained, price previously respected many times, you can see here. So we were expecting some price action here based on the previous price action. We can see here some sort of like a consolidation movement. So we have this beautiful bearish engulfing candle was developed. That's the Asian session. So this morning we had, as explained, if the price is going to respect this level, then possibility of short trade here. So we had this beautiful short trade, and we just banked this profit. We just had a last short trade, have banked few more pips. Let me share with you how we analyze the market in pound yen. That was a pretty straightforward, as you can see here. This morning, once the price developed impulsive reaction to the downside, we explain let's wait for the price break this sideways market. That's a pretty straightforward. So you can see here the price refused to break up, and based on the previous candle we have bearish engulfing candle in 4 hour. So you can see her price nicely broken, and after that direction was clear. So I said to my trader, just keep taking a pullback. So we announced this pullback and this pullback. So as soon as the price about to develop a double bottom or sideways market, we explain our trader it's time to consider banking some profit. So that was a beautiful short trade here, and afterwards, we also had another beautiful short trade here at the New York session. As you can see here, just before the New York session, price developed sideways market again. And that's another beautiful breakout. As soon as the price hit to the profit target, we explained, consider banking some profit. That was a beautiful trade. After that, we also had a short trade here. Let me explain to you. Okay, this is what exactly we explain every day, price action to our traders. And as explained, this kind of price action, what I'm expecting it, within the structure, but high probability if the price gonna break at this point of interest and then look for the short. As you can see here, price nicely broken. Price was already developed for short trade here. So if you look ahead, the price broken and give us the confirmation. That was the beautiful short trade. And we produce all this price action details through live audio commentary. So we have this beautiful breakout. As soon as the price hit to the previous low level, as explained, it's time to consider banking some pips. So we had amazing trade, guys, on pound yen. Right now, the price is respecting it. You can see it previously respected, and we'll see if the price is going to break or it is going to respect, but the symmetry triangle pattern is developed on 4 hour. So we also had amazing trades, all the other major pairs. Let's look at the Euro USD. It was a pretty straightforward short trade. We had it, as explained, too much looking for this point of break. If the price gonna break, gives us confirmation long. Otherwise, short here. But the safest way, let the price break this zone and look for the opportunity. So we have this beautiful breakout, and after this breakout, we also had a pullback. And right now, the price is respecting at the support level. So we just close our position just before the FOMC. So let me share with you guys. We had only one short trade here. Let me explain to you. That was a pretty straightforward once the price developed a sideways market. As explained, the safest way, because we look at the price action in detail, we can see here the price broken this low. So I'm expecting another pullback. That's the sign of continuation. So otherwise, then keep taking up after that. So you can see here the price nicely respected. Based on the analysis, the price nicely respected, develop pullback, another pullback as soon as the price reversing it. As explained, my trade is time to consider banking some profit. So, right, guys, so I hope you enjoy all this analysis. I'm pretty sure you're gonna love it and enjoying it when you see it in real time, live every single day. Most welcome. Join our fast growing trader community. Thank you for watching this video, guys. Have a nice day. Until next time, all the best.